Hi, I'm Kristen Williams, and in this video, we're going to talk about YouTube monetization. The most common question I get as a full-time YouTuber is, how do you make money on YouTube? So in this video, I want to tell you the requirements you need to meet to become monetized on YouTube or to be in the YouTube Partner Program. I want to show you where you can track your progress towards those milestones, and I want to talk to you about what happens after you meet those milestones. So in order to monetize your YouTube channel, you have to reach two really important milestones. The first is your channel needs to have 1,000 subscribers. The second is you have to have 4,000 public watch hours over the past 12 months. Now there's a couple key things I said about the 4,000 watch hours. First, those are public watch hours. That means if you unlist or private a video, the watch time that video has accumulated goes away when it's counting towards your monetization milestone. The second thing I said is that it's in the past 12 months. Now this is a rolling 12 months. So from the date you're looking at it 12 months back, you have to have 4,000 watch hours. If you ever dip below that 4,000 watch hours, YouTube can remove monetization from your channel. You also need to make sure you're abiding by all of YouTube's policies and that you live in a country where monetization is available. Okay, you've set a goal to get monetized on YouTube. So to track your progress towards the milestones you have to meet, you're gonna go into YouTube Studio. Once you're in YouTube Studio, you're gonna go on the left side and you'll see monetization in the menu. Click on that and it'll open up channel monetization. Here you're gonna see your subscriber count and your public watch hours. Now you'll see on my tracker that I have 14,000 subscribers and 27 public watch hours. Do you remember what I said about public watch hours? My channel is a perfect example of what happens when you unlist or private a bunch of videos. All those watch hours go away. After you meet all the requirements to be in the YouTube Partner Program, you're gonna get an email from YouTube inviting you into the Partner Program. It's a super exciting day. So here's what happens next. After you get that email from YouTube, you're gonna go back into your YouTube Studio and go to that monetization tab. Then you'll see an option to sign up for Google AdSense. Click that link and follow the instructions to get yourself signed up for Google AdSense. Now your AdSense account is how YouTube is going to pay you every month for all the money you make on the platform. It'll ask you to re-sign into YouTube and re-authenticate your account. That's just so YouTube can make sure that it's actually you. You'll then fill in some information, and once you apply for AdSense, Google will actually mail you a letter of confirmation that'll have a pin on it that you'll use to sign into your AdSense account. Now, something that a lot of people don't expect that I want you to be aware of is that when you reach monetization, your money doesn't come right away. So at the end of every month, it takes YouTube a week and a half or 2 weeks to process how much money you earned for the previous month. So when you log into your AdSense account, it'll be about the 10th of the month before you see last month's earnings. And then it takes another several weeks for that money to be transferred to you either via check or direct deposit. So you can expect to get your money about the 25th or the 26th of every month. And the money you receive is what you earned in the previous month. Becoming monetized on YouTube is a great milestone to strive for, and it really is a lot of fun once you get there. But there are other ways to make money on YouTube, even if you don't meet the requirements for monetization. I'm actually going to talk about that in a video coming up, so please subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell if you want to hear about that. And if you're starting out on YouTube or you're looking to grow your channel, I want you to check out the resources in the video description down below. I have a Facebook group that I've created. It's just for people who are looking to grow their reach on YouTube. It's linked down below. I do a lot of live Q&As in there and provide even more tips and strategies. I also have a YouTube glossary that I've created. It has all the terms you need to know here in the YouTube world. It defines all those terms and provides some tips throughout that document as well. If this video is helpful, I suggest you add it to a YouTube growth strategies playlist so you can reference it later. I hope you keep creating. I hope you keep working towards that monetization goal. I'm Kristen Williams. I'll see you next time. Bye.